Hello guys, this is Technical Knowledge. In this video, we will discuss what is AI. AI use cases. And in this video, we will explore real life example of AI being used in your various industry such as healthcare, finance, retail and more. So let's discuss some specific example of AI being used in your various industry. Welcome to the exciting world of AI. Today we are going to explore some of the amazing real life example of AI. How AI is being used to transform various industry from healthcare to finance and retail business, from improving patient outcomes to enhancing the customer experience. AI is the changing of way of life and work. So buckle up and let's discover how AI is making difference in our world. So first let's discuss about healthcare. What is AI important in our healthcare industry? AI is being used in healthcare to improve patient outcomes and enhance the delivery of care. For example, AI is being used in medical imaging to assist radiologists in detecting cancer and other disease, in drug discovery to speed up the process and identifying new treatment, and in the telemedicine to improve access to care. So let's talk about finance industry. AI is being used in the finance to improve the efficiency of accuracy of financial transaction, reducing fraud and enhance customer experience. For example, AI is used in credit scoring to determine a person's credit worthiness, in fraud detection to identify potential fraudulent transaction, and in personal finance to provide personalized financial advice. Let's talk about the retail industry. What is AI impact in retail industry? AI being used in retail industry to improve the customer experience and enhance the supply chain and increase sale. For example, AI is being used to product recommendation to personalize the shopping experience, in inventory management to optimize stock level, and in customer service to provide quick and accurate response to customer inquiries. So let's talk about the manufacturing industry. AI being used in manufacturing to improve efficiency, quality and safety. For example, AI is being used in predictive maintenance to reduce downtime and save maintenance costs, quality control to detect defect and improve product quality, and in safety monitoring to identify potential hazards and prevent accidents.